What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be covering Jasmy. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
So just to give a little recap, this was Jasmy in my previous video trading at 0.0053, and I called out the massive Class A bullish divergence, so I said I wouldn't be surprised if we actually get a bounce. Fast forward to the current Jasmy chart, and price action absolutely got that bounce, so had you guys taken this trade, you could have made up to 19% gains in 2 days, which are actually incredible gains. And if you guys enjoy making gains in the crypto market, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm, I would greatly appreciate it. But I'll go deeper into the charts at the end of the video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. So Jasmy is currently trading at just over half of a penny. Their market cap is 293 million, which ranks 172nd among all cryptocurrencies. And then their circulating supply is 49.2 billion out of a max supply of 50 billion, which is about 98.6% in circulation. Now, if you guys are looking to trade Jasmy, I recommend using Binance or Coinbase. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. But now we'll go ahead and hop into the Jasmy X account, which has 104,000 followers. And they just posted 9 hours ago. The first AMA session will be held in the Jasmy Telegram community on February 17th at 5 a.m. UTC. Now, this is actually very exciting to see because a lot of people out there complain that Jasmy is not transparent. However, if they are now going to start doing AMAs, that could be extremely bullish for the project. And then on February 12th, Gyarda Wallet welcomes Jasmy. And Gyarda Wallet is a non-custodial wallet which allows users to buy, swap, send, stake, and hodl crypto. We are going to make a significant announcement via our marketing channels. We're eager to explore a long-term cooperation. Now, as I say in pretty much all of my videos, anytime you see a wallet integration or an exchange listing, that's going to be bullish for a project. But those are the only two posts they've had since my last Jasmy video. So now we'll go ahead and hop into some macro news that could affect Jasmy's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to Jasmy. So this is Watcher Guru's Twitter, and they just posted 1 hour ago that US inflation falls to 3.1%, higher than expectations. So a lot of people out there will claim that this is bullish for Bitcoin and crypto in general. And then I also want to show you this post 16 hours ago. Michael Saylor says MicroStrategy is now a Bitcoin development company, in the same way you would see a real estate or petroleum developer.
All in order to accumulate more Bitcoin for our shareholders, and also to promote the growth of the Bitcoin network. Given the fact that the majority of enterprise value is now based upon those Bitcoin-related activities, it makes sense for us to call ourselves a Bitcoin development company in the same way as you see a real estate development company or a petroleum development company.
And then lastly, what they posted 18 hours ago, $1.5 trillion asset manager Franklin Templeton files for spot Ethereum ETF. And honestly, I think it's just a matter of time before the Ethereum ETFs get approved. And the reality is that could be enormous for the crypto space. You have to understand, by definition, Ethereum is an altcoin. So if an altcoin gets an ETF approved, that can start a chain reaction where we start seeing a bunch of different altcoins with ETFs. So this is definitely something you're going to want to keep your eyes on. But now, while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow, at Crypto Now or Never. I've recently been trying to grow my X account, and I've been posting on here pretty much every single day, and I've actually been making some very profitable calls. My post just 25 minutes ago was talking about how we are up 867% on GLQ in 6 months. But that was kind of in accordance to my previous post on February 2nd, where I said these are 5 microcap cryptos to add to your watch list. And GLQ was one of those, and since making that post 11 days ago, GLQ is already up 81%. So I definitely recommend following me on X. I think you guys will get some useful knowledge. But actually, if you guys wanted to take it a step further, I actually have a private Discord through Patreon. I have 3 different tiers, but there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, this is going to give you guys closer access to me, where you guys will be able to track the cryptos that I am personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And just to show you guys, we have been making some very profitable calls. As I showed you on X, we were up huge on GLQ, but I actually was talking about GLQ way before on here. And I posted a buy alert for it on February 6th as it came down into a very important level. But then we also just made 12% on Mora in 8 hours. And then on Mine Token, we made 70% in 2 days. And all of those gains were just within the last 3 days. So if this sounds like something you guys might be interested in, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. It's in the description. But now for the final part of this video, we'll get into some technical analysis. So this is Jasmy on the daily time frame. So honestly, we have some very exciting news, and that is that price action has finally gotten back above all of the moving averages. When you're looking for an explosive move, that is exactly what you want to see happen. You never want to see price action trading beneath the 50-day or the 21-day moving average, because then you're constantly fearing even if we start to break out, we have a bearish retest. But again, right now we are trading above the moving averages, which is very good. Now the RSI is getting a little bit high, but I would still classify it as neutral. However, the stochastics are very overbought. So just looking at this right now, I honestly wouldn't be surprised if price action comes back down and bounces off of either the 50-day or the 21-day moving average. And while that happens, the RSI and stochastics would start to reset, and then we could get another explosive move up. So just to be clear, in the short term, the number one thing I'm watching on Jasmy right now is the moving averages. If we end up breaking back beneath them, there's still a reality where we fall all the way down to 0.0046. However, if we can stay above them, then there's still a reality where this falling wedge's measure move plays out all the way up to about 0.0072. So right now, Jasmy does have some mixed signals. But now we'll take a look at Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. And this is very exciting. So as most of you guys know, in my previous Jasmy video, I had drawn Bitcoin in a bull flag. You can actually see it right here. And this video was just 5 or 6 days ago. And as you can see, that bull flag has broken out perfectly. In fact, just yesterday, Bitcoin was trading over $50,000. And we actually ended up closing a candle above the previous local high, which is extremely bullish. So just to be clear, again, even though this is a very bullish candle close, I still would not be surprised if in the short term price action ends up having a little bit of a retracement and we come down and touch the 21-day moving average. That would give the RSI and stochastics both time to reset. But I'm not going to lie, it is very exciting to see price action pumping again finally. It has been so long since Bitcoin has gotten back above $50,000. So personally, I am very excited for the upcoming bull run. But as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just understand, crypto is an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Jasmy will go next bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.